So, it's snowing outside, and I just got a new dirt bike. So, definitely about to go out and rip this thing around, see how it is. I'm excited for it. The weather doesn't really bother me. I think it's pretty decent out. It's currently just snowing a little bit, not a whole lot. So, unload the new Suzuki RMZ 250 and see how it does out in this pretty sandy, muddy terrain out here. Should be fun. Should be lots of fun. I'll put the GoPro on my helmet. I don't really like the chest mount. I don't think it looks right, but we'll do that. And then we'll get some good riding clips, hopefully. I mean, it looks pretty nice out here. Truck's all dirty and everything. It's really not that cold at all, but I'm just going to keep the outer jacket on just for protection, I guess. Just to stay warmer. So we're going to go ahead and unload the dirt bike and get ripping. Alright guys, we got all our gear on. Got the boots, gloves, and a helmet. Got the bike unloaded. We're going to try to start it up here in a little bit. It's pretty cold outside, so it might take a couple kicks. I don't know if you guys will be able to see any of this, of course. Dang. Uh-oh. Maybe I'll just try to put you right there, maybe? Alright. Sure the gas is on. We'll pull that choke out. Alright guys, we got the bike all started up. I actually started first kick, surprisingly. Last night I was working on it, trying to fix a couple things, and it would not start like until I kicked it like 10-20 times. So surprisingly enough, it started first kick. Gonna turn the GoPro on here, let it warm up a little bit, and then we're gonna head down this part of the trail. I've never been down there before. I always go down this way, so I know that way really well. We're gonna go and explore and see what's going on down here. All right, go. So, we went out on the road. Honestly, it is pretty warm out here. I'm over here sweating under this flannel. But yeah, we went out on the road for probably about like an hour-ish. Just around, I did most of it right around here. I didn't want to go too far just because I'm by myself and I didn't want to get break down, because I did that on the 450 when I came out here filming. So yeah, I got the bikes all put back up in the truck. I think I'm just gonna head home. The 250 seems to be bogging a bit, so I'm gonna have to go in there and clean the carburetor, maybe retune it. It's probably just because it's so cold out and it's not tuned for this type of weather. So